How to sign up for Royal Bank RBC Online Banking. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to sign up for Royal Bank Online Banking, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar, search for rbcroyalbank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of RBC. Here on the top right corner, you will see the sign in option. Tap on that. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, if you already have your credit card or username, then go ahead and enter that and sign yourself in to Royal Bank of Canada. But if you have not signed up, then tap on the Enroll in Online Banking option. In order to enroll in online banking, you have to make sure you have any one of the following three requirements. You either need to have RBC Royal Bank Client Card or RBC Royal Bank Credit Card or RBC Royal Bank Account Number. Once you have ensured you have any of the following, then go ahead and select who do you want to enroll today. That is yourself or your business, and tap on the Enroll Now button. Now you will be asked if you have an RBC Royal Bank client card or credit card. So if you have it, then tap on yes and go ahead and enter the client card number or credit card number and the postal code and tap on continue. And if you do not have RBC Royal Bank client card or credit card, then tap on no. You will be asked to enter your transit number, account number, first name, and last name. Once entered, tap on continue. You will get an activation code by following the on-screen prompts. Set a password for your account, and with this you will be successfully signed up for Royal Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.